Okay, this time we are going to answer the exercises. For example number 1, the direction is assume the following. Assume the following. The limit of f of x as x approaches to c is equal to 1. Next, the limit of g of x as x approaches to c is equal to negative 1. And then the limit of h of x as x approaches to c is positive 2. All right, so let's open our cameras, please, as we are going to answer the following. Okay, so for letter A, um, who can tell me what is the limit of the f of x as x approaches to c? It's in the given. The answer is, anybody? It's, yes, Noeline Mahait, you're raising your hand.
One.
Very good. All right, we have 1
One.
as the value of f of, the value of f of x, the limit of f of x. Okay, anyways. All right, next, the limit of g of x as x approaches to c. What's the limit of g of x? It's, anybody? Santias G. Romane, you're raising your hand.
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Very good. Okay. So, if you are going to add, what's the answer? What is the value of our limit of this function? Anybody? Carl Martin Barrow, you're raising your hand.
0 man.
Yes, it's 0. Okay. All right. So, based on this given, no, the limit of a certain function, the answer is 0. 0 is the limit of this function. All right. Next, let's proceed to example number 2. Same given. These are the given. Let's try to substitute the limit of f of x. What's the limit of f of x? Anybody? Can you raise your hand? Yes, Nawilin Mahait.
1.
1. Very good. All right. Let's copy the subtraction sign. How about the limit of g of x? Anybody? Other hand, please. Yes, Santias Girome.
Negative 1 po.
Very good. Negative 1. All right. So, okay. Pinag-answer sa chat box. Thank you very much. Okay, let's copy the subtraction sign. Okay. What is the limit of h of x? Anybody? Yes? Okay. Jana is answering in the chat box. It's 2. Yes, it's already in the given. So we have 2 here. So, okay, so we have 1 minus negative 1 minus 2. What's the answer? We will have this as 1. This one becomes positive. That becomes 2. Minus 2. The answer is, yes, in the chat box. What's the answer? Sige, anybody raise your hand? Okay, nasa. Okay. Carl Martin and Pastelero Antoinette is answering. Still 0. Okay. So let's proceed to yes. Yes, Novelin also answered 0. So the limit of this function as s approaches to c is 0. Let's proceed to letter C. Okay, this is the last one. The limit of naatay 3 na value. What is the limit of g of x? Anybody? Okay. G of x. What's the limit of g of x? Anybody who can answer? Yes, you're raising your hands. Okay, just answer directly. Mm. Yes, answer directly. Yes. Please answer. Mahait? Mhm.
-1, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll copy the 3. 3. This one is multiplication times -1. Pwede gani wala na siyang times ano diretso kay this up open and close parenthesis is already multiplication symbol. Plus copy the 5 times what's the value of the limit of h of x? Yes, Santias Jewel.
2 po.
So we have 2. All right. Multiply it by 2. Okay. So 3 times -1 is -3. Plus 5 times 2 is 10. So if we are going to add, what's the result? Any hand? Yes, Carl Maro.
7, ma'am.
Very good. It's 7. Therefore, based on, ay, ano ba yan? Okay, 7. Hmm, ano ba yun? Okay, so the answer is 7. So based on the given limit of a certain function, the result is, or the limit is 7. Okay, thank you very much for your participation. Let's